Good production.
Yeah, yeah, me no zone. What them know about white rum mixed with some boom. Yeah, I just wanna go celebrate with my friend them. Smoke some weed, get hype on the weekend. Yeah, cause Uja bless, no man can harm them. Hey, got a wife while some man a plan. Fuck depression, man I strive and you know me I live long. For the ones that me die and gone, squeeze too. We still alive and in our mood. Live your life, dog, me a talk true. I'll do whatever I want to. Still alive and in our mood. Live your life, dog, me a talk true. Yeah. Be a girl, they act the cars. Motor coming to me, see, and them no in a slippers. Girl, I strip for the boss, and them no really strippers. One day with the thing, like say it a sneakers. She see big Ben, so she want one man. Girl, I get wetter than snow in a winter. Girl, I get fucking I wind, I'm dancing I whole like semi. For the ones that me die and gone, squeeze too. We still alive and in our mood. Live your life, dog, me a talk true. I'll do whatever I want to. Still alive and in our mood. Live your life, dog, me a talk true. I just wanna go celebrate with my friend them. Smoke some weed, get hype on the weekend. Yeah, cause Uja bless, no man can harm them. Hey, got a wife while some man a plan. Fuck depression, man I strive and you know me I live long. For the ones that me die and gone, squeeze too. We still alive and in our mood. Live your life, dog, me a talk true. I'll do whatever I want to. Still alive and in our mood. Live your life, dog, me a talk true. Yeah. Some gone too soon, so we have to go on, vibe right through. But we can't lapse, keep it high in high road. How we can't trust mankind, who don't know that I could. The ones that might die and gone, peace too. Still alive and in our mood. Live your life, dog, me a talk true. Yeah, I'll do whatever I want. Live in our
mood. Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Noir, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seats.
This is your girl Shally, and I'm locked into this Weekend Drive with my boy DJ Perryvilla. You better fasten your seatbelt.
This is Asabe, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is Yeza, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
Rebellion, you know. I mean, I say I want you epic, you know. Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hey yo, big up Perryvilla Island. Bless up the massive system. Shabina don't tell them. Boom.